Okay, so here we are. The first song we're going to do in this course, as I've mentioned before, is Beat It. And today we're going to be working on the basic rhythm backing part. So now, before you start this video, I want you to at least take a look at the video about the basic rhythm that you need to know. That one that goes da 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 da. Okay, you need to have that rhythm internalized before you can even start here. So there are two chords you need to know. There's a good chance you might already know them, but they are E minor and D. Okay, and if you try to play along with the actual recording of the song, it's important to remember that that is a half step down. So you're going to sound pretty bad unless you tune your guitar down. If you're curious about how to do that, just ask me and I'll show you a demonstration using a tuner that hopefully will make sense. Okay, so we need to worry about E minor and D. If these shapes are unfamiliar to you, E minor is just on the 2nd fret here, or the 5th string, 2nd fret of the 4th string. And D is this triangle right here, 2nd fret of 3rd string, 3rd fret of 2nd string, 2nd fret of 1st string. And you just play the top 4 strings for D, all 6 for E. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is each of those chords is held for 4 beats. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, ba, ba, da, ba, ba, da, bum, bum, ba, da, ba, 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 da, ba, ba, da, ba, 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 da. Okay, so that's first. The first thing you want to master, and the first thing I want you to post a video of yourself doing, is just playing those chords. 1, 2, each for 4 beats, and along with the backing track. So you get a sense of what that sounds like. We'll give it a listen. Continues. E minor, D, E minor, D. Okay. So we're getting a little ahead of ourselves. For now, I just want to worry about those 2 chords. Those 2 chords, and that's it. Okay. So let's get the rhythm down. Adding that rhythm part. Da 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 da. Now, if you've been paying attention, you'll notice that that rhythm is more than 4 beats long. Da 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 da. Okay. So, since the chord changes every 4 beats, you're gonna have to change in the middle of the rhythm. So it's like E, D, E, D, E, D. Okay, so let's practice that first slow and then fast. Okay, so that's the first thing, the very first thing. If you can master that, if you're good and comfortable there, then you're great and you're ready to move on. Now, you might have heard in the backing track, if you listen carefully, you'll hear that there's a 3rd chord in the middle of the verse. If you've got a good ear, you can figure out where that fits. That 3rd chord is a C. So this chord, which you might already know. Okay. The most important thing is I just want you to get that change between the E and the D with that rhythm. Da 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 da. Slow first, then fast. All right?